I'm going to be showing you a very simple, effective strategy with the Nadaraya-Watson indicator. Many people use this strategy, but there is something I need to show you guys, right? So, first of all, put in your Nadaraya-Watson indicator. You can do so by going to indicators and type in Nadaraya. There it is. Once you put it in, leave it to your default settings, and I'll show you something very simple and effective, right? Now, if you're familiar with support and resistance, this strategy is going to work very powerfully for you, right? Now, I want you to notice something, right? All you need is two confluences, right? A signal from the Nadaraya-Watson indicator, and you need a bounce of a support and resistance, right? Let me give you an example. So you can clearly see here, we have a strong resistance over here, right? And so we have a resistance here as well. Am I right? Cool. Now, how do you use this, right? As soon as your Nadaraya-Watson bounces on the zone, right? You can see there, bounces, gives you a signal on a support and resistance, then you can take your trade, right? This was a buy trade. You can see there, that was a good 1 to 2. That's a good 1 to 2. Yeah, that was a good 1 to 2, and you could see that there was a sell here as well. That was a 1 2 3 from this support and resistance zone, right? Now, what do you see? Here is another example of a support. You can see here what happened there. You got a signal. That was a good buy over there. Put your stop loss underneath here. Now look at that. That was a very powerful move over there. See that? That's just simple support and resistance Nadaraya-Watson indicator. If you need further guidance, just let me know in the description below and I'll happily help you.